Okay guys, just some very technical parts and I'll make this really brief. The mid-pipe was blue and silver, so I had to make a few changes there. And also I'm using an adapter for this specific muffler to be attached to the bike, and this is what it looks like from behind. And because I wanted this to look as part of the bike, I got this spray for high temperature things like exhaust pipes, and there's even a picture of it right here. So what I did is I painted or sprayed just the mid pipe for now, but if this works out, I may eventually spray the whole muffler and turn it into a smaller version of the stock exhaust. I also sprayed that fastener. And this is what it looks like. I literally sprayed this entire part, including the springs and the ring as well, separately. So that's what it looks like. That's before, and I didn't like that blue part. And now it is kind of looking like it belongs in the bike. But anyway, let's have a look at more examples now, and thank you for watching. Here we go. Now, just one thing that I noticed, I don't know if it is just in my head or if I'm completely delusional, pretty much the same thing. I noticed the bike is running a lot faster for some reason, like even taking off at the traffic light or something. It just goes so much faster and smoother. So please let me know in the comments if you have had the cat removed and installed a muffler on your Honda Rebel 250, 300 or even 500. I think the 500s cannot be compared to the much smaller bikes, but just let me know, hey, that'll be much appreciated. Alright guys, so now you know what a Honda Rebel 250 2019-2020 sounds like with a very generic a muffler slip-on without the cat converter. If this is going to damage the bike, I hope it doesn't. It may eventually, but so far from all the reviews and the videos that I've seen on YouTube, it doesn't seem like it has caused any problems to motorbikes so far. So on another day, I'm going to take you on the open road motorway and go a little bit faster. I don't want to go into the motorway just now, or open road, because I just installed it. I don't want it to push it too hard. I'm gonna ride around city for a couple of days, and then I will head up to the open road where I can go to up to 100 km an hour. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.